my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, I'm Ming Spiritu Bascos, your teacher and dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And I would like to advertise my shop in the Philippines, which can be found in Villasis, Pangasinan at GI-11 Villasis Public Market, Villasis, Pangasinan, and please contact Ate Tess with a number of 0917-187-8758. And for today's lesson, I'm going to show you on how to make a short pleated skirt. Let's get started. This is the material for the skirt. It's a shining chiffon. It's pleated, but I already cut the material for the skirt with a waistline of 31 inches, and it's only short. The length of the skirt is only 16 inches with a band of 1.5 inches, and gotta put lining also. And I'm going to use an invisible zipper. I'll stitch out the hemline of the lining. I'm not going to stitch this back part where to attach the zipper. I have to insert this lining now to balance the size of the waistband. Take the center on the front and then match it here with the notch. You have to balance the lining. Since there's no extra fabric for the waistband, I have to press it this part to use as the waistband. See, this is pleated, but I need to press it in order to make it flat. Okay, check the measurement. Okay, it's enough. And measure 4 inches. That is including the allowance already. The width of the band is only 1.5 inches. Then I have to get interfacing, same size with the fabric for the waistband. And after cutting it, I have to press. This is not the band. I'm going to press it again. Have to attach the waistband now. I have to attach the zipper now. This is an invisible zipper. To attach it from there. Come on. There. I'm going to use this bias tape, this satin bias tape, instead of folding this inside. This one, this is on the band. Instead of folding this, I have to put this one to hide this edge of the waistband. I need to stitch the edge of the pant now. Now I need to stitch the hemline. We just have seen on how to construct this short pleated skirt. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and enjoy learning.